Cabbage are getting bigger. Carrots coming up good. Okay, looking good. More cabbage over here growing. Look at that tomato plant over there. Look like it still wants to grow. Looks so green and beautiful there. Look at here, boy. The lemon has turned yellow all the way. Yes, yes. Look at you. Okay, lemon. I think it's time to harvest, you guys. Let the ones that's still kind of green bring y'all on in the house and let y'all finish turning yellow inside. I want nothing to be eating on you here. Okay. Looking good. Today's harvest. Lemons and some okra.